Hey, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Double D's Quickie Reviews for me and you. Today, I got something that my significant other got me for Easter. I know, Easter, but still, I want to be a kind of gift horse in the mouth. Wait, that doesn't sound right. You know what I mean. Anyways, what she got me was on sale at Walmart for $29, and it is, boom, Scrap Iron. An anti-drone armor drone. Now, I love Cobra, as you know. I love the distinctive things. Like, I keep going to Ross trying to find a copperhead. I probably won't. Or an eel, which finding an eel for a price I can afford is not going to happen. Snow serpents, those sort of things. I love the faceless hordes. As a masker myself, they're just cool. But when I was younger, I actually got one of the weapon packs. Can't remember. I think it's like my birthday or something. Most of my figures didn't come with weapons because I got them from the thrift store. But I remember getting the original one. In fact, I probably still have it somewhere. Well, not the original Scrap Iron, the original launcher. I do have a Scrap Iron, I think. He might be missing some parts, but he's still cool. What do you say we get this bad boy open? And oh, I almost forgot to do the box look first. I'm just so excited. There we go. He's like 6'1", I'm guessing by that thing. Comes with effects. His face is scarred up because the thing blew up in his face. Weapon, helmet. Used remote control for the launcher. Yeah. There we go. Let's get this bad boy open. Oh. Man, this is... Dang. Just wonder why I'm saying, dang, this thing's got some beef to it. Look at that freaking drone. I knew it was going to be big, but god dang. We'll set that aside for a moment. Let's take a look inside of here. Scrap Iron's personal locker. I'll leave the don't swallow small bits of paperwork. You know what? Set these things aside. We're going to do something different. We're going to actually get this thing out first, since I'm sure a lot of it's supposed to attach to it. I don't want to risk losing things. Oh, cool. Look at that picture behind it. That's awesome. Saving that piece of cardboard. Dang it, I thought I clipped through that. Dang, why won't this thing clip? There we go. Okay. Finally. Boom. Okay, that's the treads. Appear to be independent of each other. So you put this thing on top. Like that. Let me check the picture. Okay, the red exhaust should be forward. Okay, yep, that's correct. I mean, it's got a beefiness to it it just looks kick-ass on its own. It's almost like a hunter-killer. Then, of course, we got Scrap Iron over here. Let's get him out, too. My scissors are falling apart. Well, not scissors, my clippers. Boom. Okay, set this aside. Here he is. Ooh, wow. That's a bit more detailed than I was expecting. I've only ever seen pictures of this figure. It has standard, you know, articulation. I won't bore you with that. It's got this upper body armor is definitely a separate piece. I'm pretty sure it does not come off. I never understood why they'd always put grenades on the outside of the armor right there. I mean, catch a bullet, blow yourself all to hell. Got a little holster here. The red straps on his boots are red for some reason. I like the coloring overall. Definitely looks like, of course, there's a nice clean Cobra symbol. Just looks nice. Okay, now let's get into these bags. Okay, we have some rocket launching things. We're just going to put those in the box. A blast effect. I'm guessing that's of it hitting. Pass that in the box as well. Make sure there's nothing in there. Nothing in there. Here's the other blast effect. You know, like boom. Okay. So, now this bag. Oh, we have Scrap Iron's helmet. I see they decided not to go with a clear visor. We got that classic Scrap Iron logo on the helmet. Let's see, we put it on him, see how it looks. Yeah, kind of tight, but no, that's good. Don't want it flopping around like those Mando helmets tend to do these days. That just seems right. I like that. Missiles. Some more blast effects. A lot of blast effects. You know what? We don't need this many blast effects, people. Okay. We come with his side piece. Nice simple handgun. Let's put that right in the holster. So, doesn't fit very well, but you know, that's good enough. And of course, his remote control. That looks nice. Looks almost like a video game controller. Not sure exactly how he's supposed to hold that. We'll put it like that. And of course, a couple of missiles for the laser guided missiles for his tank thing here. Boom. Boom. Alright. Where's my spinny thing? I love this figure. Not just because it was a gift from my significant other. It just looks right. The coloring, the beefiness of the rocket launcher. I like the fact they put it on treads instead of the normal tripod look it had in the original. And each tread is independent. It's got a lot of movement, so you can like trying to climb over a wall or something. And of course you got Scrap Iron over here. I wish they would have made the visors see-through, but you know. There we go. He just looks like a kick-ass mercenary. And a cool soldier. What if they're going to do a Wild Weasel? I'll get him too, because I can't afford like a Rattler in this scale. But they had a single version Wild Weasel. Heck yeah. Also, the people making G.I. Joe, stop putting them with vehicles. Some of us can't afford those. You know, if you can't afford, don't collect. Well, fuck you. You can't make them right. You don't deserve my money. Anyways, it's a cool looking figure. if you can get it, especially cheaply. Oh, I lost his controller. Then I recommend it. Heck, maybe. No, not at full price. I'm going to draw the line there. But definitely at $29 at Walmart, worth it. I know on Amazon they're like 27, 28 bucks. Again, worth it. Get it. If you're a Joe fan, a Cobra fan, you just like the look of cool looking soldiers, get it. And with that, if you look at like the paint scheme, it's not messed up. Their paint is perfect. Okay, the boots are weird. I'm going to give you that. The straps shouldn't be red. But I don't know why he has like a, this would make a really good paratrooper. But he just looks awesome. I wish he had some way he could put his controller on his uniform without holding it, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. And with that, I want to thank y'all. Since we're at past 11 minutes. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hail Cobra. Double D. Out.